So in this video, let's just go through the new interesting app which is called Quilt. I just stumbled upon it and seems it's a pretty cool idea. So here is the app, supportive audio chats. And as you can see, it's in climbing up in social networking categories. So there you have it. I think this app is kind of like Clubhouse for motivation, or just like a niche Clubhouse app focused entirely just on supporting you, finding supportive groups, focus on love and relationship, mental health, just like career, personal growth. And then you just can connect live with people in conversations. You can share and feel supported. You can follow each other. You can see the calendar of upcoming conversations and stuff like that. Welcome to Quilt, a new kind of social wellness space to connect, share, and learn with others through daily conversations. It's like being at a friend's home or backyard, having open conversations about anything and everything. Here you can come as you are. There is no judgment, no filters, and you don't have to be an expert to share. We believe that community is the greatest form of self-care. We are ad-free because journaling and meditating alone can only do so much, and that's for sure is the truth for so many people. If you try, just subscribe to Calm or like Headspace or any other meditation app, it requires a lot of like self intent. Like you need to be really motivated, and sometimes it's just easier to do in a supportive community, and especially in an audio app, because a lot of these apps are like text-based self-journaling, or you can also read some quotes on Pinterest, but it's just for some people it's just easier to feel as an audio experience. So yes, it's kind of like social media Calm app or something like that. So it's really nice idea, but this app is just started. So there are a few bugs here and there are a few glitches. The community is not that big yet. So definitely it's in a beta version yet, like in early stages. So it's a good time to check it out if you like or not this idea. So here is your home screen. Basically, you can see a lot of these talks like a Clubhouse rooms. Like some people, here is the room about being overwhelmed, and just people describing their issues, and you participate in these conversations and all of that. Everyone deserves to be heard, like breathing. So for example, you can join this room and just breathe together with other people, or all of that. Then there are popular jams which are overheard in these rooms, so you don't need to know someone alone to create an impact. So there's some inspirational quotes or some citations from these audio experiences. I don't know how they are created and all of that, but there you have it. So looks kind of a bit similar to Clubhouse, to be honest, but there you have it. Then there are like the Quilt values. Quilt is a community. Support and connection are our main ingredients. We believe in feeling good. Here are our values and affirmations to guide you while quilting: care, collaboration, contribution, curiosity. So that's that. There is then calendar tab where you can see all the upcoming rooms and all the upcoming sessions. Like here is guided meditation, so you can favorite that. You can see all the details. Join me, start your Sunday feeling grounded and centered. You can add to calendar. You can read more. You can go to profile of this person you can follow. You can see a lot of circles, descriptions. So similar to Clubhouse, and then you can see that some profiles here actually start to have like 500 followers. There are 967 quilts, so the community is really growing here. It's not that huge. There are not like hundreds of thousands of followers and users here yet. Probably overall there are like hundreds of thousands of users, but it's not like something like like Clubhouse or like some major podcasting app. No, it's still early here. You can also schedule your own quilt. You can add a description. and start to grow a following. I think it's a good time to join this app and try to become a creator and try to tell the stories and yeah, all of that. So then you can also host your own Quilt, so you can host it for everyone. You can add just a title and select different topic. So these are kind of topics which a lot of people try to focus on this app. So it can be habits, rituals, self-exploration, self-care, parenthood, fashion and style, spiritual stuff, just for fun. Then there are your circles, so you can select which circle you want to join, what you want to talk about, and all of that. Then you can also explore, you can follow some people here, you can discover some other profiles, you can invite people to your community, you can find people, you can share that. And then there are different circles. Circles beta is here. Circles are basically communities where you can connect with people around specific topic, activity, or interest. You will see new circles pop up every few weeks. Find circles that inspire you below. You can start the conversation once you join. So here are different circles which are basically like communities. So you can join that circle, and that's how easy it is. So that's basically like a Facebook group. There aren't that many yet, but I'm not sure if you can create a circle for yourself. So you can just host a Quilt, but I'm not sure if you can create a circle. So to delete your account, if you're concerned about privacy, that's a lot of people asking for, like just go to settings in top right and then tap delete an account, and here you will just need to fill out some form. So that's cool. This option is available in the app because some people are just concerned about their privacy and personal data. That's completely okay. You can always reach out to support if you have some issues or some feedback. So just do that. You can edit your notifications. You can pause your notifications, similar as in Clubhouse. You can try to become a circle curator. Okay, so that's basically how you can submit an interest form to become a circle curator and express some interest in creating circles or communities. So that's basically it. You can add your Instagram, you can invite friends by syncing your contacts with Quilt app. So that's basically, in a nutshell, that's the app, like a Clubhouse for mental stories kind of app. So interesting if it will grow. I think it's a good niche. Just depends. If the community is good and if there is a lot of spam or not that much spam and all of that. As you can see, so overall the ratings are pretty high here, 4.8 out of 5. Quilt has been and continues to be so many things for so many people. For some, it is the only way to connect with others in a safe way during a global pandemic. For others, it's the first time they have felt truly seen and heard when sharing their truths. When you open a Quilt, you open your heart and hold space for others. The conversations are as fun, rich, and dynamic as the beautiful humans that make up the Quilt community. You will laugh, you might cry, you will listen and share, you will learn and you will grow. There is no stage, no performing or posturing. You show up as your true self and are welcome simply for being. What you do or who you are is respected. You're as you are enough. So that's a really cool testament here. Lovely app. I'm so grateful. Safe space. Thank you. Obsessed with this platform. So yeah, a lot of really good reviews here. So definitely worth a try. So I would encourage you to sign up. Thank you for watching.